Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a fully surprised cauldron. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay, little artists, let's start this picture and we're gonna open the paper this way. So we're gonna start on the outside first. The first thing I'm gonna do is the cauldron. We're gonna leave a space on the left side and we're gonna do a curve that goes down, and it's gonna look like this. It's kind of like a big long letter C. I want to leave like 3 finger space, and we're gonna do another one to the other side. There. Now to join them, I'm just gonna do a little tiny curve on the bottom. And now I'm gonna flip my paper, I wanna rotate my paper, and I wanna press the marker really hard against the paper so I can go straight, and we're gonna connect them. Now we're gonna do the handles, and right underneath the folding part without crossing, we're gonna go and make a letter C. And inside, I'm gonna do another one a little bit more tiny. Here the same thing, we're gonna do the handle on the right side, and we're gonna repeat the steps. Now here in the middle, we're gonna do a clover, and it's gonna be a 4-leaf clover. So we're gonna do kind of like a heart shapes. I want to start here on the top and I want to do my heart, but I'm not going to close the bottom. Okay, now I want to do 2 more hearts on the sides, and the same thing, don't close the bottom. So I'm just going to go like this, and I'm trying to make my hearts kind of like the same size. And the last one is going to be pointing down right here. Now we're gonna mark where the rainbow is gonna be. So the rainbow is coming from this way and it's gonna go into the cauldron. First, from this corner, I wanna go to the outside of the paper. So you can leave a space here and put a little dot. And I wanna join from this point to the dot, and you can even rotate your paper. I wanna rotate it so you guys can see better. And I'm gonna go doing a curved line that connect with the dot, okay? Now I want to leave a little bit of a space, and I'm putting another dot, and I want to do the same thing. I want to come from this side and I want to do a curve and connect with the dot. Okay, now inside the rainbow we're going to do a couple coins. So I'm going to start with a coin here, and I'm going to do an oval shape that is pointing to the left. So it's looking like this. This is an oval shape, and if we imagine this is a coin, it's pointing that way. Underneath, I want to do 2 little lines, very tiny, and I want to do a curve that follows the same shape of the oval. Let's repeat that step here. We're going to do a coin in the outside, and this coin is going to be pointing now to the right, okay? So I'm going to start my oval shape, and I'm doing this with the tip of the marker. Now let's do the lines down here. Remember, they are tiny, and we're going to go around with a curve. Okay, you can put more coins if you want to. Other thing that I'm doing is the coin that is closer is bigger than the coin that is farther away. So this coin is tiny. And if we want to do another one, making it look like it's going far away, we can just do a really tiny oval shape, right? And then we can do the same thing on the bottom. It's going to appear that it's going farther away. Now let's open the paper. First thing I'm going to do is finish the cauldron. We're going to go on the top of the folding part. We're going to do a curve, and in the other side a curve. Now we're going to do the little hands of the shamrock, and make sure that you are not going to cross the folding part. So from this letter C I did, I want to do 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to close it with a curve. Let's repeat that here. 1, 2, 3, and close it. And now I can join with a line side to side to close the cauldron. Now it's time to start drawing the leprechaun, and what we're gonna do is his beard first. So we're gonna do kind of like a backwards number 3 on this side and a number 3 on this side. Now I want to do a line that goes up, and it's a very short line. And in between these two lines, we're gonna do the nose. So the nose is gonna be kind of like an oval shape, and it's gonna look like this. It's an oval shape. Okay? And from this oval shape, I'm gonna do a oval or a circle. And it's gonna look like this. And I'm gonna pass really close to the lines I did. So I'm gonna go around. And I wanna start going down and connect to the other side. Now that I have the face, we're gonna do a line that goes up really close to the first, this circle that I just did. Next, we're gonna do the eyes, and it's gonna be here 2 oval shapes really close to the nose, and I wanna color this with black. And we're gonna put eyebrows with 2 rectangle shapes on the top. And here on the top, we're gonna put some hair sticking out with 3 letter U's. Now let's do the smile here, and he's gonna have his mouth open, so I'm gonna start with a curve, and underneath I'm gonna do a U shape, and inside another curve for the tongue. Now this leprechaun has pointy ears, and we're gonna do here in this curve, we're gonna do a triangle shape that goes out. I'm gonna do here a little bit of a hair that is sticking out, and we're gonna do 2 curves, 1 and 2. And now we can do the hat. So around these curves, we're gonna do another one, and in this side, I wanna do a line that go across and connect with this one. And it's gonna look like this. I'm going across and connect. Now let's do the top part of the hat, and I wanna start from this point, kind of like when I start the hair, going up, and I cross the folding part. And this part is not gonna cross the folding part, it's just quite really close. And we're gonna connect them here with a curve. Now here on the top, we're gonna put a square, and we're gonna do another square inside, and we're gonna do a line that go across in behind the square and to the other side. We're almost finished. We're just gonna mark where the rainbow is gonna be, and we're gonna draw a couple more coins. So the first thing, we're gonna grab this line and we're gonna connect it with the hat. So I'm just gonna cross the folding part, going down and connect here. And this line is gonna go open here. So I'm gonna go down like that. And we're gonna draw a couple more coins. So these coins are getting closer to us, so they're gonna get bigger. So we're gonna do one here in the same idea. We're gonna start with an oval shape. We're gonna put 2 lines on the bottom, and we're gonna trace a curve around it. Let's do one more here. And the sizes can be different. That's gonna help with making it look like they're closer or farther. And the last one is gonna be really close to the folding part right here, there. Now that we have the coins marked, we're gonna mark where the rainbow goes. And I'm gonna mark 5 colors. I'm gonna start here next to the hat, and I wanna start going up. And this line is gonna pass behind the coins. I'm gonna cross the folding part, and I'm gonna start going really close to the first line. As I go at the end, it's getting closer and closer. Let's do another one. We're gonna leave a space, kind of like here in the middle of the hat. I'm gonna go up in behind these coins. I want to cross the folding part, and the same thing. I want to start getting really close to the second line. Let's do one more now from this hat, from the part of the hat. Going up, crossing the folding part, and going really close to the other ones. And this one even can cross a little bit out here. And the last one, I'm gonna do it here in between these 2 lines. I wanna go up. And remember, you just need to pass behind the objects that you encounter or that you have in the middle. So we're gonna go here. And there. And there, that's it. We finished this leprechaun that is getting out of a cauldron. Let's see how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you liked this lesson and I hope it was easy for you to follow. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out and the colors that I used for the rainbow. You can change the order if you want to, or you can add different colors. And now let's go see how it looks when we open. Here is my leprechaun and how he turned out with the colors I used. I also add some clovers around. You can do this or you can just leave it with the colors of the rainbow. So I hope you liked this video and I hope it was easy for you to follow. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step and easy like this one. See you next time.